The string would come in handy. Right?
Yeah. Hungry?
Yeah, I am. I am hungry, yeah.
This is lunch. We have some sweet and sour, some chicken, some rice and some fruit and some tom yum soup. Are they good? Yeah? Look, the dogs like us. I mean, look at that face. They've all come to join us. Look, we've got 3 there. 1 down there. You right there, mister? I'm behind you there. Look at that. There was literally 3 at my feet. Finish now. All finish. No more. No more boys. They're all following Tim. So Tim's gone back for seconds. And this cutie. And that cutie.
I went to return my plate. He said help myself to some more, so why not?
I might go and get some chicken because you, yes you, ate all my chicken. And maybe you too. Both of you. Back to the pig. Look at this cute little one. Oh, I only come in to say hello. I only come in to say hello. Hello. Alright, Mummy's coming. I'm leaving. Making him do all the work.
Hopefully this goes better than the last time we went boating down Richmond.
I know.
That was not good. That was a hard paddle back for me.
We've got these kayaks. We didn't realise, but it's also included in the price. So yeah, cool. We just had lunch. We're just working it off. Well, Tim's working it off. How you doing back there, Tim? Hello. We are now heading down the other side of the beach. Our host or tour guide Alex said you can go this way to check out the island a little bit. Yeah, it's really really quite nice to do a tour guide like this. There's lots of there's lots of pig poo on the pig island. But yeah, it's quite nice to do. You probably pay more doing these excursions, but the one thing I was just saying to Tim earlier, it's quite nice to not think about what restaurant to go to, what pier you need to get to, what boat, how much it all costs. So with these sort of trips, organised trips, yeah, it just takes you, you do this, you do that, but the thing is you are with a lot of people, but hey, you know, we're doing a little bit of everything.
Yeah, Koh Samui is definitely a tourist destination that's not going to make you go out of your comfort zone, and I can see why a lot of people choose to come here. It's very, very easy. Everything, it feels, just everything about it is easier and it feels a lot safer.
But there's people everywhere.
Yeah, there's people everywhere. It's still busy. The people seem friendlier here, in my opinion. But there is the comparison between, I guess, this beach here and Koh Can off Koh Mak, where we had a picturesque beach all to ourselves, and that did seem really, really special. It didn't have the pigs or anything like that, but for me, going that extra mile in terms of being more difficult to get to, more out of the way, and making you go on a journey that does pull you out of your comfort zone a little bit, not massively, but a little bit. But I actually think it's really worth it. I think having been here and seen what this is like, this is very busy. It's it's good though. I kind of preferred the little puppies to the pigs myself. Yeah, I think not only do I want to get a scooter, I want to get a puppy as well. But I don't know if that's going to happen.
But literally, there's so many animals here. There's chickens, there's dogs, there's pigs. But the thing about being in places where there's a lot of people and you're not so secluded is that the dogs are they're used to you. You know, they're coming up to you for food. They're not being territorial or anything. So you feel a bit safer like that. And I think it's just what we learn to stay a little bit more to
read the dog. Read the dog. You can tell straight away.
And don't walk in kind of really residential, quiet places. Take a taxi or do something like that. But yeah, no, cool. There's a sign. You need to go that way. Keep going. Ooh. Oh, it's a bit of a climb. Ooh. So that's my noise, just to make sure anything in the area knows we're here, so we don't surprise them. Toot, 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 toot. There you go. Whew. The doggy wants to come with us. You gonna come? with us?
Left it really, couldn't I?
You could have. It's all good. And we're back. No ironing board, so we use the bed. Genius. So we are back in the hotel. We came back around about 3 o'clock, which was actually good timing. I think that was a good amount of time to be out and about. The weather was perfect as well. It was cloudy, so not too hot. And yeah, really enjoyed today.
I was promised a thunderstorm and I still haven't got it.
I know, we literally just sat down yesterday for 10 minutes and
we've been rushed here, there and everywhere for the promise of a thunderstorm.
And it's not come.
Yeah, it's going to be a big one, probably when we're doing the ferry journey tomorrow.
Hopefully not. But yeah, no, it was really good to do that today. And yeah, now just chilling, might go and have some food in a bit. But yeah.
Yeah, and my money didn't get stolen. It was back in the hotel room, so yeah, I'm glad I didn't say anything.
No.
Yeah. It wasn't much anyway, it was like 1,000 baht or something, but
I mean, it was still something.
I'm just getting forgetful in my old age.
He was like, someone's taken it. Who someone has.
I wasn't too bothered. I took it on the chin.
Yeah.
I took it on the chin.
But yeah, remember.
Don't leave your bags unattended though.
Yeah, the thing is, we all went for dive. Well, we went for snorkeling, and there was one guy that I thought he was going to stay on the boat, but he decided to go for a dip as well. But
yeah, and then I started thinking, oh, maybe it was the crew that were running the trip, but actually they were all really cool.
Yeah.
To be fair, and
it was just him forgetting that he didn't put money in his bag.
Definitely, they're an honest bunch.
Yeah.
It was me being paranoid and suspicious. So I went for just a chicken curry today. It looks a bit like a green curry. It does taste slightly different. But yeah, it's punchy.
Yeah. And I have gone for the sweet and sour because it's so good. They give you good portions. And honestly, if you are in Samui, come to this place. We've come to it 3 times.
Come to this place, but know what you want to order ahead of time. Because you literally sit down and someone will come right up to you and expect you to order straight away. Like every time we come here. I've never felt so much pressure in my life. I've kind of got to think what I want before. But the menu is a big menu. There's 3 pages dedicated just to curry. So yeah.
But you just need to tell them, give me 1 minute and they'll come back. It's like that in restaurants, they come and like literally they're like, what do you want to drink? And you're like, I've just sat down. It's just their culture. But yeah, if you just say, give me a minute, they'll leave you alone for a little bit.
So we have just left the restaurant and Sarah's leading the way. I had a big bottle of Leo, so she's definitely in charge of road crossing, but it's only a few seconds walk before we get home. But another great meal.
Yeah, good.
Why are we stopping here?
Oh, there's cars.
Okay, here we go. It's usually me doing the leading, but sometimes. So yeah, before I came out, I had a little WhatsApp conversation with a really good friend of mine. I've not done much communication while I've been here with anyone really, parents and a couple of friends. But it was really nice to have a chat. He's always someone who I go to for advice, and he's always been there for me one of my oldest friends. And yeah, it just always puts me on the straight and narrow, really. And it's been really nice to know that he's watching these videos as well. They were only really intended probably for our parents to watch. Are we going? Yep, yeah, we are. So yeah, it's been nice to know that he's following us on this journey, which is kind of what it was intended for, I guess. So yeah, it's a funny one, really. I'm not someone who's got masses of friends, but the ones I do have, I'm really appreciative of. I'm lucky. Aaron was someone who I met when I was quite young, probably 13. He was a dancer in the clubs, and he was the person who inspired me to start dancing. And he's a super talented guy. Anything he puts his mind to, he can get to like a professional level within such a short period of time, and he's thrown his hand at numerous things, and yeah, he's become really good at all of them. So yeah, definitely someone who's always been an inspiration for me. So Aaron, you're a good friend, and I am grateful for you. Cheers, mate.
Bye.